In case of your death, would you give your organs to save somebody's life? Does your family know your opinion? If you live in Croatia, it would be very important that your family hears your opinion on this matter while you are alive, because after your death, according to medical practice, your organs cannot be given to anyone without the consent of your closest family members. So to motivate people to show their consent to their family, we made showing consent possible in a very innovative way through our campaign, A Consonant for Life. A consonant in Croatian language also means consent. The campaign started with the press conference and the support of the Croatian Minister of Health Siniša, who showed his consent by giving away one of the consonants in his name, after which he became. This unexpected move from the Minister of Health started a huge public debate about the importance of showing consent. Soon the largest Croatian media houses and the brands followed his example by giving away a consonant from their logos. Print media, primetime news, Croatian National Radio Television, various TV shows, RDS on radio, consumer products in supermarkets. Using a specially designed web tool, everyone else had a chance to show their consent on their Facebook profile. The consent was also given on the most popular national websites. In a very conservative country, the campaign successfully removed the taboo of this subject and started a trend of showing personal consent to the organ donation. According to Eurotransplant data, the number of donors has grown by 23%, making a small country like Croatia the #1 country in organ donations. One letter can make a difference if you use it the right way.